Hi, hello. I'm Amelita Hodilya, coffee farmer, and also hello Korean coffee barista in Korean. Uh, I'm happy today because I have uh, tell you to about my coffee farm. Uh, I start planting coffee before 2013 because of Kapwa. Kapwa give me a training how to plant the coffee, and then give me also a material, especially coffee seedling. That's why na doon ako nag-umpisa na mag-lab ng kape and care the coffee, hanggang na alam ko na ang how to make a coffee, quality coffee, because before when my parents plant coffee, they had no idea how to make a coffee quality beans or coffee roasted beans, because they have no trend, and then hindi nila alam, wala sila nalalaman. Ang sa kanila lang tanim at saka harvest, drying in the soil, in the ground. But sa ngayon, kami, we have hanging dryer, and then dried well, we process natural. Okay na siya, no? Process natural. And then ito ang second land na mayroong coffee farm, and then this land, this coffee farm started harvest last year. Almost 2 years pa ito, and then mayroong ibang tanim na hindi pa 2 years almost, and have also bring fruit. And then we see here we have more coffee here have a fruit this time.
Tara na.
Tara na.
Anong ate, variety dire coffee?
Kani, this variety is Katimor. And then
Yung imong area, anong yung variety dire coffee?
this area is a variety here, halo-halo, but we have Katimor here, Amarillo, Novo Mundi, and then Yellow Bourbon, Orange Bourbon, at mayroon ding doon mayroong sa baba yung tinatawag nila na Red Bourbon. Dito tingnan natin yung mayroon ng fruit.
Ilang taon dire ate yung planting coffee dire?
Almost 2.5 years. Mag 3 years na ata ito, and then doon 2 years. Kasi mayroong nauna at mayroon ding hindi pa nahuli pa pagtanim.
Na coffee duro.
Yeah.
Maraming cherry diri.
Oo.
Yan.
Here. Mas more cherry. This farm is almost full of coffee trees. All is 100% Arabica. And then 2 years na this tray of coffee tray is almost 2 years na nag-harvest. And then sige, we go here. And also the coffee here in Balotacay is very unique, because while we harvest, some of branches have also starting flowering. But this season is not so very good or more harvest because of the weather condition.
Pwede ate yung explain mga starting planting for hanggang the
Harvest.
harvest.
Sige.
Starting
when I start plant coffee, ano, first I have a seedling, and then almost 1 year or 8 months to 1 year I start plant. But after the flowering start 1 year and 8 months, they have bringing fruit, and then after 2 years we start a harvest like this, tray. This tray is almost 2 years, and then they have start fruit, and then going to ripe, and then this time we start na harvest. This is the first fruit of this tree.
Ay, look like ano, red bourbon?
Red bourbon. But I think this is Catimor.
Oh, Catimor.
Catimor. Tapos, ano pa?
Anong ano ate yung ilang pieces yung coffee tree dere?
Ito.
Anong hectare?
In 1 hectare, this is 2,200 I think, because this is area full of coffee tree. Because if you plant coffee in 1 hectare, if you want to plant more space is 1,500, but 1,500 per hectare if the space is very malaki. Pag like this, almost 2,000 plus I plant here, because I plant this the 2 meters side by side ang space, not so very malaki, because I want also na hindi siya madaling ma-full of grasses.
Pwede yung greeting message last for
Sige.
President Kang?
Hi Sir, President Kang. Good afternoon. How are you, sir? I hope you are so very good this time. I'm Amelita Cordelia, one of your student in Korean barista, home barista. I'm glad because that all the things or all the trainings because of Shalom to teach me how to have a Korean home barista, I use in my own coffee shop soon, because of I have something to build as a coffee shop here. And thank you for the knowledge you binigay ninyo sa amin, especially in Filipino, here in the Philippines, and especially to me because I'm coffee farmer. I'm glad because I know how to make a coffee, home coffee barista from your Korean barista industry. Thank you very much and God bless you. Okay?
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.